Are you tired of logging into Rocket Money and seeing a bunch of transactions in the wrong categories? Is your budget a mess because a coffee run is labeled as utilities and your gas money is entertainment? You're not alone, and it's a problem that can make your budget feel totally useless. But what if you could fix that, and even automate it, so you never have to manually recategorize transactions again? That's exactly what we're going to do today. I'm going to walk you through the 3 simple tips that will get your Rocket Money categories in line and keep them there. First up, the most basic fix, editing a single transaction. This is for those one-off mistakes. When you see a charge from Starbucks show up under groceries, don't panic. Just tap on the transaction, find the category listed below the description, and tap it. From there, you'll see a list of categories to choose from. Select coffee shops or restaurants, whatever you prefer, and you're done. Quick, easy, and your budget is already more accurate. Now, that's great for an individual charge, but what about when you go to the same place all the time? That's where our second tip comes in, creating a transaction rule. This is a game changer. Let's say every single charge from Shell Gas is showing up incorrectly. Instead of changing it every time, you can create a rule. Navigate to the Settings tab, then Categories and Rules. From there, create a new rule. Tell Rocket Money to match any transaction with the name Shell Gas and automatically change the category to Auto and Transport. Hit Save, and just like that, every future gas purchase from Shell will be perfectly categorized without you lifting a finger. You can do this for any recurring vendor, from your favorite takeout spot to your gym membership. And finally, my third tip for Rocket Money power users, creating custom categories. The app has a great list of default categories, but sometimes you need something more specific. Maybe you have a side hustle and want to track business expenses separately, or you're saving for a specific vacation. In the same Categories and Rules section, you can create a new category. Give it a name like Freelance Supplies or Italy Trip Fund, and even choose an icon and color to make it your own. Now you have a specific place to put those transactions, giving you a much clearer picture of your spending. Mastering these 3 tips, editing a single transaction, creating a rule for recurring ones, and building your own custom categories will transform your budgeting experience. It turns Rocket Money from a simple tracker into a powerful, personalized tool that actually works for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.